Hello, my friends. It is time for an HSN sneak peek. I'm going to be on the air on January 8th, and I am so incredibly excited because I have some fun products to share with you and the HSN viewers. Are you ready? Get set, let's go. The first item, and look, my team made these cute little boards for me. So the first item is our shadow box card. Now this shadow box card is a little different than our original because it folds to be 5 by 7. And that means you are getting more real estate. So look, it folds flat for mailing, and then it opens up, and look, it's like a little diorama. Remember those dioramas? But it can be a perfect card. And it comes with all that you see here. It comes with the clouds, it comes with the sun, it comes with the grass, it comes with the cute fence, it comes with the background dies, it comes with the little leaves, it comes with the cloud, the flowers, the bee, the ladybug, oh my goodness gracious, isn't that fantastic? And look at how adorable that is. And again, don't worry, it folds flat for mailing, and it folds to be 5 by 7, so it's nice and large in size. Now, don't worry, this will go in a regular die cut machine. So those of you that have a regular die cut machine, this will still fit. Of course you know I thought of that, right? So it's gonna fit in your regular standard machine, and it's gonna fold flat for mailing, and it is so much fun. Now, you don't have to use the flowers if you don't want to. Here's a sample, and I'm gonna have lots of samples on HSN, don't worry. But here's a sample with the cute little whales. Here's a sample with more different items right there. And new this time, you're going to get an exclusive limited edition idea book. It's going to tell you how to put it together. It's going to give you pictures, gorgeous pictures, samples, and the information that you need to create these on your own. So you're going to see these up close and personal. Look at that. We're so proud of ourselves for growing up, aren't we? Look at that. It's so fun. Oh, look at that one. Oh, the farms. So cute. So go check it out, hsn.com. I will be on the air live, and that'll be so much fun. But wait, there's more. Because HSN also said to me, what was your most popular die ever? Ever? Well, that's easy. It's this one. Do you know what this is? Some of my earlier followers know what this is. This is my box card die set. What does that mean? What is a box card die set? A box card die set is this. It folds flat for mailing, of course, so it folds flat, dun, 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 just like that. Here I have one in an envelope to show you. Standard envelope. Oh, you're going to give this to someone. I wonder what it is. We're going to open it up, and look at this. It's going to open up, and look at how cute that is. It's like a pop-up box. We call it the pop-up box, and it's so adorable. And this one has the little animals on it that you can also get on HSN. Now, this one has lots of fun things. Some of you might have already purchased this from us, but if you haven't, wait, because HSN is going to have a fantastic price. We have these fun background dies. We have happy birthday, hello, thank you, it's a party, it's your day, for you. Some more flowers over here. We have some leaves. We have the background die. We have layering dies. We have the little shelf that goes on the inside, and the die itself. Again, this fits in a standard regular die cut machine. Now, let me share some samples with you. Oh, and guess what? This also comes with a handy dandy little booklet. We show you how to put it together. It shows you some great samples by the Stamps of Life and my team. And you can see those up close and personal. And we give you the directions, and we also give you the supplies used so you can recreate them yourself. And we also, of course, have lots of ideas on our website as well. Now, let me show you a couple of these really quick. Oh, that one fell apart a little bit. But look at how fun those little flowers are on there. And those flowers, all those flowers come with the kit. And we have this one. Oh, open this one up. This one has little postage with it. Isn't that cute? So fun. And again, don't worry, they fold flat for mailing. Perfect. We're going to open this one up. Oh, this one has more critters with it. I love it. So fun. It's so cute. I love it. I can't wait. I can't wait to show you on air how these work, how easy they are to put together. That's the important thing. If you know me at all, you know I'm all about easy peasy. And these are easy and fun, and they still will wow the people you give them to. Now, on hsn.com, we're also releasing this banner set, which has been very popular. And it comes with the die that matches, and this is perfect for, here's one, a sample right here, you are amazing. Now this stamp set is also great because you can say you are amazing, or you are invited, or happy birthday, the best Wait, okay, so it's the best. You are the best, sorry. You are so kind. Thanks so much. And you can mix and match these and die cut them out with the die that comes with it. So check me out on HSN. I'm very excited about that. I don't know the times yet, but when we get them, we'll let you know. And if you want to get a head start, get these products early. They'll release them a little bit earlier on their website, hsn.com. These items are on hsn.com and on the air. The 5x7 shadow box, this one right here, oops, this one, the shadow box one is only on HSN, only available on HSN. Okay, just a heads up, only available on HSN, so go get it there. And you get the booklets as well, which is so fun. Thank you so much, and I will see you on HSN in January. Thanks, bye-bye.